Dear students of 10th class, welcome to the world through English. In this video, I will continue the A reading. Attitude is altitude. So please watch the video till ending. Water sports are in Nick's only thing. He also plays golf with a club tucked under his chin and a huge fan of the English Premier League. Water sports are very interesting to Nick. For example, swimming, and he can play golf also. Even though he has no hands and legs, he can keep that club of golf. Club means that bat like structure under his chin. He tucked. Tucked means he put under chin and he can play golf, and he is a huge fan of English Premier League. English Premier League means it is a football game which is related to England. That means England conducts this English Premier League. His parents decided not to send him to a special school, a decision he said was very hard for him, but which may have been the best decision they could have made for him. Generally, Nick is a disabled person, but you have to remember that nowadays you should not call such kind of persons as disabled persons. They are physically challenged persons. You have to remember they are physically challenged persons because they challenge their lives for their existence. So, Nick is a physically challenged person and he was sent into a normal school, not into a special school. This decision was taken by his parents, and whatever the decision took by his parents made him the better in his life. When Nick was born, his father was so shocked that he left the hospital room to vomit. His distraught mother couldn't bring herself to hold him until he was 4 months old. When Nick was born, his father was so shocked because he had no hands and legs. That was a bad situation to any father. So immediately he went out the hospital room and he vomited. And what about his mother? His mother was distraught. Distraught means upset, worried, and she was not able to take her baby into her hands until he got 4 months. His disability came without any medical explanation, a rare occurrence called phocomelia, and Nick and his parents spent many years of asking why this cruel trick would happen to them. My mother was a nurse and she did everything right during pregnancy, but she still blamed herself, he said. Whatever Nick has, the disability is not scientifically or medically termed or coined or named, because it was a rare occurrence, a rare situation which had happened to Nick. But there is a medical term for this kind of disease is known as phocomelia. Phocomelia means an extreme disorder to the limbs. That means they can't able to move their hands and legs for their survival. Nick's mother was a nurse. As a nurse, she knew everything about the pregnancy and what to take the medicines or how to be during the pregnancy time. When you compare with a normal lady, she knew everything and she did everything right for Nick's birth. But it happened like that. She was blaming herself about Nick's birth always. It was so hard for them, but right from the start, they did their best to make me independent. My dad put me in the water at 18 months and gave the courage to learn how to swim. I also got really into football and skateboarding. I totally love the English Premier League. In the beginning of the Nick's childhood, Nick's parents did the best. They worked hard for Nick's survival, and whatever they did, it made him an independent. And at the age of 18 months, just 18 months, Nick was put into the water to learn courage and to learn swimming. And he is interested in football as well as skateboarding, and he is very fond of English Premier League. Nick's father was a computer programmer and accountant, and he taught his little son how to type with his toe at 6 years old. His mum invented a special plastic device that meant he could hold a pen and pencil. As a computer programmer and accountant, Nick's father taught him to type at the age of 6 years only. And his mother invented a plastic device to write with a pen or pencil. Despite the risk of being bullied, his parents insisted Nick on attending mainstream school. It was the best decision they could have made for me, adds Nick, who later achieved a degree in financial planning and real estate. It was very hard, but it gave me independence. Generally, these kind of physically challenged persons are sent into special schools. But Nick parents did not send him into a special school, and they sent him into a mainstream schools because they wanted him to be an independent. And there was lot of bullying. Bullying means what? Bullying means, yes, teasing. There was lot of bullying, but Nick came up with all those things. And that was the best decision which is taken by his parents, which made Nick as an independent. And finally, Nick achieved a degree in financial planning and real estate after so much of hard work. I will continue the lesson in the coming video. Before the ending of the video, please note the comprehensive questions and answer them. What are the abilities of Nick as far as we have learnt about him? What kind of decision was taken by Nick's parents? Why? How did Nick's parents help him to become independent?